How to cancel your Google Gemini subscription. This tutorial shows you how to end your plan so you're not billed again going forward. First, open your browser and go to the Google One or Gemini subscription page. Then log in with your Google account if prompted. From there, tap on your profile picture or account icon at the top right of the page. After that, tap Payments and Subscriptions from the menu that appears. At this point, look for your active Gemini plan under the Subscriptions section and tap on it. Following this, tap Manage or Cancel Subscription, depending on what's shown for your plan. From here, Google will usually ask why you're canceling. Select a reason or skip it if that option is available. At this stage, confirm the cancellation when prompted. Once canceled, you'll typically keep access to Gemini's paid features until the end of your current billing cycle, after which your account will switch back to the free version. Keep in mind, if you subscribed through the Play Store instead of directly through Google, you may need to cancel it from the Play Store's subscriptions page instead, since billing can be managed from either place depending on how you originally signed up. That's how you cancel your Google Gemini subscription. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.